Welcome to the Recalibrated Soul podcast. I'm Barbara Deo, your energetic engineer and metaphysical bestie. I am here to lift you up, clear the path, and help you raise your frequency down to the cellular level. Let's begin. I have just officially opened the doors to my new Lunar Transformation Series. And let me tell you, I have been working on this for a long time, for months. And it has certainly been a labor of love. It has grown and expanded, and I actually had to break it down into 2 separate courses because it was packed with so much information. It is now a beautiful 20-lesson journey through all of the phases of the moon. The practice lessons are energetically aligned with each phase of the moon to match her beautiful celestial energy. So instead of just talking about it, I want to invite you into it. What you're about to hear is the actual introductory lesson from the course. Hello, beautiful soul. I am so incredibly happy you are here, standing on the shoreline of something truly transformative. Let's be honest for a second. Have you ever had one of those weeks where you felt completely unstoppable, creative, alive, bursting with ideas? And then, just a few days later, you found yourself wanting to curl up under a heavy blanket, cancel all your plans, and stare at the wall. And maybe you blamed your mood, your morning coffee, or a rogue email. But what if I told you that you aren't broken, moody, or failing? What if you are simply matching the rhythm of the cosmos? The moon doesn't apologize for changing its shape every single night, and neither should you, my friend. The moon changes phases every 2.5 days. This means the emotional flavor and intensity changes depending on where the moon is currently at. We often forget that we are made of the exact same star stuff as the rest of the universe. The moon has enough raw magnetic power to literally move entire oceans across the planet. It commands the tides with a silent, invisible pull. So if it can shift the vast waters of the earth, why do we think it wouldn't shift the waters inside of us? Our emotions, our intuition, our creative currents, they are all deeply intertwined with her celestial dance. When you live your life completely disconnected from these natural cycles, it feels like swimming upstream. You try to force big, massive actions when the universe is whispering for you to rest. Or you hide away right when the energy is ripe for you to step into the spotlight. But when you learn how to stop fighting the current and start flowing with it, that is where the magic happens. Life stops feeling like a constant battle of willpower and starts feeling like a synchronized dance. Over the course of our time together, we aren't just going to look at the moon. We are going to learn how to actively harness her energy. We will journey through each phase, treating them as unique energetic tools in your spiritual toolkit. To help you integrate these rhythms, every phase in this series will be paired with 3 distinct practices. Number 1 is the somatic anchor. This is your energy reset, a specific breathwork, grounding, or stillness practice to shift the nervous system into the exact frequency of that moon phase. Number 2 is flowing with the tides. This is your daily protocol containing recurring lifestyle elements, purposeful movement, focused activity, daily meditation, and a grounding affirmation. And number 3 is soul reflection and intention setting. At the end of each lesson, you will find reflective prompts designed to help you peel back the layers of your current experience and consciously align your focus. Think of the moon's cycle as a massive, continuous wave. Most of the time, when life gets overwhelming, our instinct is to dive headfirst into the water just to survive the crash. And while diving under can be cleansing, it doesn't actually move you forward. It keeps you stuck in the same place. This series is about teaching you how to stop hiding beneath the water and start riding the wave effortlessly. By aligning with these lunar phases, you will know when to pedal hard, when to coast down the crest, and when to let the moon nurture you, allowing her magnetic pull to safely carry you back to shore. Stop fighting the ocean. Let's learn how to ride it. You do not have to carry the weight of the world on your own. You have the entire night sky backing you up. And that was just the beginning. There are 19 more beautiful lessons for you to dive into, taking you from the seeds of potential at the new moon to the profound surrender of the 0 point, dark moon. And if you are ready to stop fighting the current, my friend, and start riding the wave, I will link the course in the show notes. And please reach out if you have any questions. I am always here to help. Sending peace and love, grace and gratitude, and magical lunar energy. Namaste, my friend. Namaste.